Ever since I was a kid, I was always playing with Legos, and I love building houses on Minecraft. I want to be an architect, that's why I love building and stuff. This is better than Minecraft. I can build beyond the limit of other apps and websites.
We were basically creating an on-ramp for the M3, so the people coming up from the Gold Coast don't have to go all the way up and around and then come all the way back and under. Once there is an on-ramp, it'll be much quicker.
The Bentley software, OpenRoads, and visualisation software, LumenRT, is really enlightening in terms of how they can use and be enabled by technology.
The whole idea of this Reach Out program through Griffith University as a strategic partner is to create that curiosity about problem-solving engineering. This is exactly what an engineer today does.
So this part here is the ramp. Then there's the bridge that you go under if you're coming from this way. And this road here is leading to the campus.
Can I have your attention, everyone, please? The first thing that you need to do is you need to zoom out and have a clear view of the area that you want to add the traffic. All right, so once you have done that, look for the...
We hope the children have fun in realising that their gaming can extend into their career, and that actually as adults they can continue to play and be creative in solving real-world problems.
If those kids take away saying that it is fun and that you can use your own imagination to push your boundaries and create innovation, then the world will be a better place.
Cars moving onto your road.
Today's activity was very engaging because we learnt how the entire process works and how actual engineers use this to showcase the big projects that can change the world.
I made sure there was a lot of trees. There is buildings over here, more buildings over here, and a neighbourhood. Every road has cars on it, and then there's a lake over in that corner. It's very realistic, very high quality.
I really liked how we could just use our own creativity to build our perfect world.